अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। रब्बिश इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली वजअल ली वज़ीरन मिन अहली आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन। Today's topic is how to tackle and choose the best answers. Okay, जब भी हम कोई चूज़ द बेस्ट आंसर वाला एग्ज़ाम ऑप्ट कर रहे होते हैं तो हमें बड़ी परेशानी होती है. We are very in worry के how to tackle it, how to understand it. Now some points I am uh, teaching you to how to tackle it. ठीक है, some tips and tricks which are I am discussing today. Okay, how to deal with these type of exams. Okay, first you have a short term goal and the long term goal. Okay, short and long term goal. If you have short time, about 3 months, then you go through with MCQs, with your topic wise preparation from different books, different MCQs books. Okay, long term protocol, my long term protocol is about if you have 6 months or up till 1 year or more, then you have to read the topic from everywhere, up till it is understand, or you have command on it. Okay, now the question is that how to tackle the choose the best answers. There are many questions in which the options are 3, 4 or 5. First, don't panic. By the grace of Allah, by the name of your religion, according to that, remembering the God and full confidence on your preparation. Remember that no exam you will succeed without any preparation. Preparation is must. Give your 100%. Now, when I read the question, now I am reading the question and I know my duration of exam time and divide each MCQ according to that. It gives you 1 minute for 2 times reading or half minute for 2 time reading. Whenever you can't read or can't understand the question, you can't attempt it. Okay, so first is understanding of the question is very important. Okay, what the examiner understanding of the question, okay, what the examiner asks from you. Now second attempt is that what are the keywords. Keywords are in our books. These keywords are identify or putting in the exam question according to the your patient sign, symptom, investigation, examination and management or counseling point of view, or percentages. Remember that these are all key words belonging to that scenarios belonging to the sign, symptom, investigation, examination, management and counseling or the percentages. You have remember the all sign, symptom, investigation, examination, management, counseling or the percentage of that disease. Without commanding on the topic, you can't identify these keywords. Remember that these keywords not in one book. Already I am giving you the idea about the reading the books. Okay, if 3 months, these are the MCQs books. If you have 6 months or 1 year, then you prepare your topic according to your need, which is make this topic understandable or command on it. Okay, according to your time need. After that, what is except? In some questions there is a question and examiner asks except that. एक्सेप्ट दैट यानी इस एक्सेप्ट का मतलब सही भी हो सकता है, गलत भी हो सकता है, इट इज रॉन्ग, राइट. यानी अगर आपके पास 4 ऑप्शन है, वी हैव 4 ऑप्शंस. ओके, 4 ऑप्शंस एंड ही आज एक्सेप्ट दैट. तो आप एक्सेप्ट के अलावा बाकी सारे देख लें, जो बचेगा वो एक्सेप्ट होगा. अंडरस्टैंड माई पॉइंट. MCQs के ऑप्शंस पढ़ें चारों. You read first 4 options thoroughly, and which all are wrongs or right, which are questioning in the except, in the heading of except, which is asked in the question. Leave it at the end automatically, because you choose your options according to this except. Now, other thing is that many questions ask what are the next step. For this, your guideline, TOG, or whatever your book step is very important. Okay, your charts, flow charts. According to that, steps are you tick your step according to that under cover of that guideline, TOG, or your flow charts. Then you correct your question. Don't panic. Don't haphazard in this step. For example, in a gynae obs, if patient come in the emergency department, if she needs IV fluid, according to the guideline, you give the IV fluid first, not giving the oxygen first. So I am giving only the example to you. These steps are given in the guideline, TOG, flow chart, whichever that. You should follow your charts, your book, your TOG, your guideline, not by your hospital. Okay, because in the exam they follow these guidelines, TOG, flow charts. Okay, all other option is that other type of question is all of the above. If you have there is a 4 options, 1 2 3 4. If you have 2 option right, okay, in the type of all above the, जिसमें लिखा हुआ होता है कि all of the above, एक ऑप्शन 4 ऑप्शन में से अगर एक आया है और आपके 2 ऑप्शन ठीक निकल रहे हैं, तो all of the above का ऑप्शन आप ऑप्ट करेंगे. Understand my point? I am telling you, if any question which ask any question in which there is a 4 option, in which all of the above is the option, and you think about that there may be all of the above, then you again read the 4 options again, and if 2 points are correct, then you opt for all of the above. Now, other type of question, right or wrong, it is very simple. Right or wrong, if examiner asks right option, choose. You leave the wrong, you cut the wrong options and you leave the right. Okay, very fastly, same as the wrong. Now number 8 is the nothing. Okay, now these are the types of the choose the best answer exam preparation or exam tip and tricks. Okay, I hope I'm teaching something about that and resolve your some problems. It may help. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum, and share, like, and subscribe my channel if you want. Any comment if you want something, please give me suggestion. Assalamu alaikum. One thing I left in the keyword, which is the biodata. Biodata also included in the keywords. Thank you very much.